Hey, Declan Davey, copywriter, and it's time for Law 8 in the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing, one of my favorite marketing books. I've got a link for it down below if you want to check it out. And Law 8 is the law of duality. It says that in the long run, every market becomes a two-horse race. Now, perhaps this is a simplification, but I do understand and definitely agree with the concept. It gives plenty of examples from different sectors. It says, for example, that in photographic film, it's Kodak versus Fuji. In mouthwash, it's Listerine versus Scope. In hamburgers, it's McDonald's versus Burger King. In sportswear, it could be Nike versus Adidas. Now, some of the examples provided in the book could be outdated by now, but the point still stands that often it is two giant brands facing off against one another. Often you have the old, reliable brand, and then you have the newer, exciting brand that are both trying to compete for the same customers. What else can we learn about the law of duality? Well, there's a nice quote from Jack Welch, the CEO of General Motors, or General Electric rather. And he said that only businesses that are number one or number two in their markets could win in the increasingly competitive global arena. Those that could not were either fixed, closed, or sold. So it's quite a severe warning, particularly for startups or smaller businesses that may have this idea, this great idea that they think they can market. But it is an important warning to listen to, because if there are already products or brands in that target market that are leading and very well known, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to try and match them. You're probably just going to get swallowed up. So when you are starting a new product or brand, it's really important to sub-niche down until there's a bit of room that you can operate in, an arena within the market where you could actually be a leader. Because as the chapter says, that early on in a developing market, the number 3 or number 4 positions may look attractive and they may generate sales, but that as time goes on, customers become more educated, either through their own experience or through hearing the experience of other people. Obviously, social media is enormously powerful these days. The internet, information can be found faster. And increasingly, people will flock to the 1 or 2 leading brands and will forget about the others that will fall away. So that is the law of duality. It's a two-horse race for customers